how to add notes and tags to keywords. Now, this is important because most of us, especially me, do not have photographic memories, and we are always taking action. The whole reason that we're trying to track keywords is because we're taking action and we want to see the results, right? Well, are you going to remember all the actions that you're taking so that you can check back and see what effect did it have on your organic and sponsored ranks? You can do that by adding tags and notes. Let me show you how. Now, first of all, let's just say that you have a group of keywords that are your launch keywords, or these are your most important keywords. Now, what you can do is add a tag, all right? Let me say, hey, I want to add a tag that is my launch products. Now, I didn't have a tag like this, so I would go ahead and hit create launch products. Now, once I tag this product as launch products, let me tag one more product as a launch product. Or a launch, I said launch product. I should have written launch keywords. Now here at the top, I just hit the button once, and now all of the products are going to show up right here that are my launch products. So it's kind of a really cool way to kind of group your different keywords at the same time. Now, notes, this is even more important. You want to add notes. So I'm going to hit this right here. I'm going to hit a plus sign. And now right here on a note, I can say, hey, you know what? On 10/24, for this keyword coffin shelf, I can select different options here or just create a new one and put some notes in here like, hey, I increased my bid $5. Now, do you guys remember on my ranking over here, what happened? Do you remember that I was not ranked on my coffin shelf for a few days and then I turned boost on? Well, actually, I did something this day. I lowered the price to see if that helped my ranking. Now, I added a note for that. You can see right here on the graph, I can see all the different notes that I have added. So right here on October 20th, I added a note. It says, I lowered price by $1 to see if we get the search position back. Now, I look back here. Let me zoom in for you guys. I look back on this date that I made this change, and the very next day, what do I see? I went from not ranking at all to ranking on page 1. So my experiment of lowering the price actually worked. Now, your experiments might not always work, but again, I want to be able to go back and see on what exact date did I take what exact action so I can look back at the graph and figure out what kind of actions I still need to take. So this is a super cool way, guys, to kind of like make sure that you are writing detailed notes on the actions you're taking, and then make sure to look back and see, hey, did it have the desired outcome? Look back at the graph on what dates you had your notes on there, and then take a look at your keyword rankings to see if something changed.